Imagine being on a flight, looking into the cockpit and seeing the pilot and co-pilot completely ignoring the dashboard while the plane plunges toward Earth. Sounds insane, right? But that is exactly how most couples manage their money. One person is pulling up toward a down payment on a house. The other is diving deep into a Target sale, and nobody is checking the fuel gauge. Today, we are looking at your marriage through the lens of a commercial flight. If you do not learn how to fly this financial plane together, you are heading for a crash landing.
Welcome to For Richer or Poorer, where couples learn to win with money together. In most relationships, there is a pilot and a passenger. The pilot logs into the bank apps, pays the bills, and stresses about the math. The passenger is in coach, drinking a ginger ale, completely oblivious to the weather reports. Here is the danger. If the pilot gets sick, burns out, or loses their job, the passenger has no idea how to fly the plane. To win with money, you cannot have a passenger. You need a co-pilot, both hands on the controls.
Before a commercial plane ever leaves the tarmac, the pilots complete a strict pre-flight checklist. They check the engines, the navigation, and the fuel level. They do not just wing it and hope for the best. But that is exactly what couples do when they spend money without a budget. Your budget is not a restriction. It is your pre-flight checklist. It tells you exactly how much fuel you have in the tank before you take off into the month. Sit down together on the first of the month. Check your fixed costs, your savings goals, and your fun money. If it's not on the checklist, the plane doesn't take off.
Every single flight experiences turbulence. It is normal. It is expected. In real life, turbulence is a transmission failure, an unexpected medical bill, or a sudden layoff. Turbulence doesn't crash a plane if you are strapped in. Your emergency fund is your seatbelt. Without it, a $1,000 emergency turns into a terrifying free fall into high-interest credit card debt. Keep 3 to 6 months of expenses in reserve so you can fly right through the bumps.
What is the #1 rule during a cabin pressure emergency? Put your own mask on first before helping others. But couples violate this rule constantly. They lend money to family, buy expensive gifts they can't afford, or donate heavily while their own credit cards are maxed out. If your household budget is losing air, you cannot save anyone else. Put your mask on first. Secure your walls, pay your debt, and build your foundation. Only then do you have the extra oxygen to help the people around you.
Your financial flight plan doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be shared. So here's your homework for this week's Money Date Night. Sit down with your co-pilot. Complete your first pre-flight checklist together. Look at the fuel tank and decide on your destination. Subscribe to For Richer or Poorer for more real talk on winning with money as a team. Safe flying.
For richer or poorer, we build it together. For richer or poorer, money talks, love gets better. Subscribe and stay close. We're learning this life. For richer or poorer, figuring out love and money right. For richer